Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send photo or video to someone in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on the chats option in the bottom right corner. Here, click on the chat where you want to send the photo or video. Now tap on the photo icon in the bottom left corner. Here, if you click on the camera icon and the video icon, you can take a photo or video instantly, or you can also select multiple photos and videos from your gallery. After you've selected, tap on Send button. So that is how you can send photo or video to someone in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.